Hi everybody, and welcome to a short episode of The Renaissance Builder. I am here with my good friend, Josh Tussadori, and he's going to describe to us what we're actually doing here today.
Alright, hello everybody. What we're going to talk about today is my pool actually. How it started off is it got installed last season. Had a sand filter installed. Over the winter, what happened was I didn't winterize it properly because my pump went bad. And I got an algae plume at the end of the season last year. And when you get an algae plume in your pool, a sand filter is just about no good. Because the average algae is between 1 and 3 microns. The sand filter only filters down to 40 microns. That's where my problem came in. After chemicals and killing all the algae and it turning white, my pool was white. Couldn't even see the bottom. So instead of dumping hundreds of dollars into chemicals to make that algae bigger, to where a 40 micron filter can pick it up, I went with a diatomaceous earth. And with a diatomaceous earth, they're, we'll say 2 microns. And after I installed it, within 1 hour, my pool was crystal clear and I could see the bottom. Now, we're gonna hard pipe it.
So that's it, guys. So we changed the filters over to what appears to be a better filter. And Josh knows more about this than I do. We just thought this would be an interesting thing to show you. The diatomaceous filters are already installed. Josh took care of that the other day. And we're gonna take care of hard piping it. So these flexible gray lines that you see here that are, they work, but we're going to replace that with this here 1.5 PVC. So let's get started and see how this goes. Right. So we've removed the flexible connections between the skimmer and the eye. So now we can start hard piping this up. guys, so that finalizes this here video. We finished plumbing this in. As you can see, everything's a lot straighter and it's cleaner looking and more professional. But beyond that, it performs better, and I'll show you specifically why. This is the fitting that was in there to adapt to the flexible hoses. And this fitting and the pipe have a much different inner diameter. So the larger inner diameter of this here 1.5" PVC is going to equate to more water flow, as well as we don't have the resistance of the ribbed tubing inside, causing turbulence and non-linear flow. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like if you like this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.